Here are 25 like a boss moments. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. A good Smartian stepped up to save a goat's life after its makeshift harness got tangled.
Watch out, hold on there. Come to him.
No, that's choking.
Yeah.
What you are watching is probably the best dart trick shot. Watch how the arrow bounces off the walls and still manages to hit the bullseye. There is always someone who takes a simple and fun game to the next level like these guys. This cheeky kid exposed a magician trying to trick her. Look at this perfect shot of an employee sinking a loaf of bread into a tiny trash can. Why this kid do something nearly impossible and he had it look easy? Watch what this motorcyclist does to her girlfriend. Even if you do fail, make sure to fail in style to overshadow the failure, like this guy. After a series of noise complaints, the cops said the players could stay if they were able to make a half-court shot.
I'll even let you do it.
We all need a friend like this guy who is willing to fight off an alligator to save our life. You cannot get cooler than the guy who poured himself a drink in a plane by performing an inverted loop. Fabio Whitmer created and rode through an impressive custom BMX obstacle course made it entirely inside his own house. A beautiful girl mesmerizingly plays with the ball set on fire. Tough act to beat. This guy performs a one-finger front lever hang, making us wonder if our fingers would snap off imitating him. This daredevil flipped himself over an entire house. A demonstration of efficient manpower where an employee managed to stack crates 3 times his height. This boxer impressed everyone when he started dodging punches thrown at him from the left and right gracefully and easily.
You're at least a jab. Lots of jabs, nothing landed. However, Canelo is moving and not punching.
Around the ring with his feet. His head movement has been brilliant in the last couple of fights.
This is fantastic defense in this round from Canelo, and he punctuates it with a jab. Look at him slip all these shots. The hardest thing to do in the ring, make the man miss.
That is a beautiful display of defense on Canelo's part there.
Wow.
This guy just pulled off an amazing basketball trick.
Boom! My boy shining on his birthday! Let's get
Some people have luck written all over them just like this guy. This wrestler just delivered the greatest chair shot ever. This Eagles player clapped at the perfect time to accidentally catch the ball which was tossed to him. Watch this plastic cup defy the laws of gravity by doing this. The kid is so pissed with his mother teasing him with food that he decided to take matters into his own hand. We can only wish to be like him when we are old, going hard on the swings in the park, especially the ending. A fun weekend with the boys produced a magical moment when a guy took putting cheese on his burger to the next level. I think this guy has a different outlook on the saying you only live once, judging by this daredevil stunt. He could have earned himself, if not Employee of the Month, the fastest Employee of the Month. Now this is what I call talent. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.